Thank you for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, just off the Trans-Canada Highway, or online at islandford.ca. Today we're looking at 2020 F-150 XLT. It has an Oxford white exterior, grey cloth interior, 3.5 liter V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, 6.5 foot box. It's the base XLT, but it's got an FX4 package, which includes skid plates, upgraded shocks, locking differential, as well as hill descent control. It's got a few other great features that I'll show you as I do the walk around inside and out. But if you want to see it for yourself, our sales team would be more than happy to help you. You can book a test drive online or just come and see us. As a driver, enjoy door storage as well as a speaker in the door, power locks, windows and mirrors, manually adjustable front seats, but you do have lumbar support. Beside the steering wheel, you have the LED side mirror spotlights, lighting controls, and electronic parking brake, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and there's a grab handle in the door frame to make it easier to get in. On the faceless steering wheel, you've got dash controls as well as cruise control, sync voice activated system, and media controls. On the instrument clutch, you'll see any important messages you need to be aware of, such as if you're low on fuel or forget to close the door. You can cycle between display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, and settings. Each has a sub-menu for you to play with. It is a select shift automatic transmission, but you also have different drive modes. Press the button right here and you'll see it on the dash. You have normal as well as tow haul, snow wet, eco, and sport modes. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, you have your 4x4 with locking differential as well as Pro Trailer backup and integrated trailer brake controller. On top of the media center, you have a little cubby spot to put things. Your hill descent control, traction control, hazard lights, and auto start stop along the top of your touchscreen. Audio options include AM, FM, as well as satellite radio and Bluetooth. Connect your phone and talk hands-free. You can also connect apps, and then you've got your settings that you can cycle through as well, including Wi-Fi and 911 assist. Down below, you have the physical controls for your audio, as well as climate. You've got front and rear defrost. You do not. You have front defrost, as well as side view mirror defrost, AC and max AC, 12 volts of power on the right-hand side, locking glove box. In between you and your passenger, you've got two cup holders, an armrest, and some storage, or you can flip it up and have a passenger right beside you. You can also flip this up and get more storage space. Overhead, your rear view mirror is manually dimming. You have overhead lights and a sunglass holder. 17-inch wheels, your side view mirrors and door handles match. Keyless entry keypad, left-hand side capless gas cap. You have a backup camera as well as a 4-pin and 7-pin connector. Your tailgate is both lockable and removable. Your backup camera is located above the Ford logo. Super easy to bring down. You have a box liner and tie downs in all four corners. Rear passengers have door storage as well as power windows, grab handles in the door frame, back seat mat pockets. There's enough seating for 3 and the seats raise and lower with this tab right here and easily flip up. It's actually cubby on the other side. Lift it again. It's a little bit easier with one hand and you can fold them down. You have the lower anchors for baby seats. In the middle, you see you've got 2 cup holders as well as 2 USB ports and the 12 volt. Someone's feet are in the way. It easily flips up. You have all weather and carpeted floor mats in the packages. Overhead, you have hooks and lighting, and there's that humongous rear window. Front bumpers, mud flaps, window visors. You have those LED side mirror spotlights, heated side view mirrors that are equipped for towing, front tow hooks, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit the #1 rated Ford dealer in BC.